18th of August 25. I've just reached to Arrangkel. Look at the mesmerizing beauty of this beautiful place. I'm speechless. It is really amazing. It's a really amazing place. I have heard about this place, but believe me, when I came here, when I saw the beauty, it shocked me, surprised me. It is more than imagination. What we are thinking about this place, it is really more than that. Whatever you see in the YouTube from the different YouTubers, that is not the reality. The reality, whenever you come here, you'll see the reality. What is the truth here? This is amazing. How would be the paradise? If this is dunya, how would be the Jannah? Subhanallah wa bihamdihi, Subhanallah al-Azim, Subhanallah wa bihamdihi, Subhanallah al-Azim. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Wallahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, walillahi alhamd. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, walillahi alhamd.